Welcome, healthy food enthusiasts. Join us on our culinary exploration as we unveil a treasury of 10 mouth-watering Mediterranean recipes tailored for home cooks like you. Get your aprons on, and let's get cooking. Before we dive deeper into this topic, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more research results related to productivity, health, and well-being. Let's start with spinach and feta stuffed chicken breasts. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Butterfly the chicken breasts and season with salt and pepper. In a bowl, combine chopped spinach, crumbled feta, sun-dried tomatoes, minced garlic, and dried oregano. Stuff the chicken breasts with the spinach mixture and secure with toothpicks. Heat olive oil in a skillet and sear the chicken breasts until golden brown on both sides. Transfer the chicken to a baking dish and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until fully cooked. Enjoy your delicious spinach and feta stuffed chicken breasts. Now let's look into Mediterranean chickpea and farro salad. Cook farro according to package instructions. Drain and let cool. In a large bowl, combine the cooked farro, drained chickpeas, diced cucumber, diced red bell pepper, finely chopped red onion, sliced Kalamata olives, and crumbled feta cheese. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to combine. Enjoy your delicious Mediterranean chickpea and farro salad. Now, we quickly jump into dish number 3, which is baked cod with olive and tomato relish. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Place the cod fillets in a baking dish and season with salt and pepper. In a bowl, combine halved cherry tomatoes, sliced Kalamata olives, minced garlic, capers, olive oil, lemon juice, and dried thyme. Spoon the mixture over the cod fillets. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the fish is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Enjoy your baked cod with olive and tomato relish. Not slowing down here. The next stop is grilled vegetable and hummus wraps. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Toss the sliced zucchini, eggplant, red and yellow bell peppers, and red onion with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Grill the vegetables until tender and slightly charred, about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Spread a generous amount of hummus on each whole wheat tortilla. Top the hummus with the grilled vegetables and a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley. Roll up the tortillas tightly and serve immediately. Enjoy your delicious and healthy grilled vegetable and hummus wraps. Perfect for a quick lunch or light dinner. And now we land at recipe number 5, which is Greek-style stuffed peppers. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of cooked brown rice, half a cup of crumbled feta cheese, a quarter cup of chopped Kalamata olives, a quarter cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of toasted pine nuts, and a teaspoon of dried oregano. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, and pepper to taste. Mix well. Stuff 4 bell peppers, with tops cut off and seeds removed, with the rice mixture. Place the stuffed peppers in a baking dish. Cover with foil and bake for 30 to 35 minutes until the peppers are tender. Enjoy your delicious Greek-style stuffed peppers. Here is another one you can try. Lemon and herb marinated shrimp skewers. Combine a quarter cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, minced garlic, fresh parsley, dried oregano, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Add 1 pound of peeled and deveined large shrimp and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Thread the shrimp onto skewers and grill for 2 or 3 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Enjoy your flavorful lemon and herb marinated shrimp skewers. Don't go anywhere. Here is next delicious recipe we have for you. An eggplant and chickpea stew. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add diced onion and minced garlic. Saute until translucent. Incorporate diced eggplant and cook until it begins to soften, approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in drained and rinsed chickpeas, canned diced tomatoes, ground cumin, ground coriander, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. Simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the eggplant reaches desired tenderness. Before serving, garnish with fresh cilantro. Enjoy your flavorful eggplant and chickpea stew. Here is next one. Orzo salad with roasted vegetables. To prepare orzo salad with roasted vegetables, start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Toss diced zucchini, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and red onion with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast these veggies for about 20 minutes until they become tender and slightly caramelized. While the vegetables are roasting, cook the orzo according to the package instructions. Once cooked, drain it and let it cool down. In a large bowl, combine the cooked orzo with the roasted vegetables. Have cherry tomatoes, crumbled feta cheese, and sliced Kalamata olives. In a separate small bowl, whisk together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, dried oregano, salt, and pepper to create the dressing. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss everything together until well combined. Your flavorful orzo salad with roasted vegetables is now ready to be served and enjoyed. By the way, here is yet another one. Baked falafel with tahini sauce. To make baked falafel with tahini sauce, begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. In a food processor, combine drained and rinsed chickpeas, chopped onion, minced garlic, chopped fresh parsley, ground cumin, ground coriander, baking powder, flour, salt, and pepper. Pulse the mixture until it's well combined but still has some texture. Next, shape the mixture into small patties and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Brush each patty with olive oil to help them brown and crisp up in the oven. Bake the falafel for 20 to 25 minutes until they turn golden brown and crispy on the outside. While the falafel are baking, prepare the tahini sauce. In a bowl, whisk together tahini, lemon juice, minced garlic, and a bit of water to thin it out to your desired consistency. Add salt to taste and whisk until the sauce is smooth and creamy. Once the falafel are done baking, serve them hot with the tahini sauce on the side for dipping or drizzling. Enjoy your flavorful baked falafel with tahini sauce. And the last one, Greek lentil soup called fakis. To make Greek lentil soup, start by heating olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add diced onion, minced garlic, diced carrot, and diced celery. Saute until the vegetables are soft, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add in the dried brown lentils, diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, a bay leaf, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Stir everything together to combine. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. Cover the pot and allow it to cook until the lentils are tender, which typically takes around 30 up to 40 minutes. Once the lentils are cooked, remove the bay leaf from the soup. Stir in the red wine vinegar to add a tangy flavor to the dish. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning with more salt and pepper if needed. To serve, ladle the hot soup into bowls and optionally drizzle some olive oil on top for extra richness. Enjoy this comforting Greek lentil soup with crusty bread or a side salad for a satisfying meal. And that's all for today's video. As always, all mentioned recipes are in the description or comments below. Watch another interesting video we have prepared for you. The link should be visible on the screen. And for more healthy insights like this one, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned, stay healthy.